Equilibrium of forces is one of the most fundamental concepts in engineering mechanics. It describes a state where a body remains at rest or continues to move with constant velocity because all the forces acting on it are perfectly balanced. In simple terms, when there is no net force and no net moment acting on a system, the system is said to be in equilibrium. To understand this clearly, imagine a book resting on a table. The weight of the book acts downward due to gravity, while the table provides an equal upward reaction force. Since these forces are equal and opposite, the book remains at rest. This is a basic example of equilibrium. Now, the conditions of equilibrium are very important. For a body to be in equilibrium, two main conditions must be satisfied. First, the sum of all forces acting on the body must be equal to zero. This means there is no unbalanced force causing the body to accelerate in any direction. Second, the sum of all moments about any point must also be zero. This ensures that the body does not rotate. These two conditions together guarantee that the body is completely stable. In mathematical terms, the sum of forces in the horizontal direction must be zero, and the sum of forces in the vertical direction must also be zero. Additionally, the sum of moments about any chosen point must be zero. These equations form the foundation for solving equilibrium problems in engineering. Next, we move to the concept of the free body diagram, commonly known as FBD. A free body diagram is a simplified representation of a body where all external forces acting on it are shown. It is one of the most powerful tools in mechanics because it helps us visualize the problem clearly. When drawing a free body diagram, we isolate the body from its surroundings and replace all the supports and connections with the forces they exert. For example, if a beam is supported at one end, we show the reaction forces at that support. If there is a load acting on the beam, we represent it with arrows indicating its magnitude and direction. A well-drawn free body diagram makes it much easier to apply the equilibrium equations and solve for unknown forces. Without an FBD, solving complex problems becomes confusing and error-prone. Now let's discuss the equilibrium of particles. A particle is a body whose size is negligible compared to the forces acting on it. In such cases, we only consider the forces and ignore any rotational effects. For a particle to be in equilibrium, the vector sum of all forces acting on it must be zero. This means all forces balance each other in such a way that there is no motion. These types of problems are usually solved by resolving forces into components and applying the conditions of equilibrium in both horizontal and vertical directions. For example, if multiple forces act on a point, we break each force into its horizontal and vertical components, then ensure that the sum of all horizontal components is zero and the sum of all vertical components is zero. Finally, we come to the equilibrium of rigid bodies. Unlike particles, rigid bodies have a definite size and shape, so both forces and moments must be considered. In rigid body equilibrium, we apply three main equations. The sum of forces in the horizontal direction must be zero. The sum of forces in the vertical direction must be zero, and the sum of moments about any point must be zero. These three equations allow us to solve for unknown forces and reactions in structures like beams, frames, and trusses. For example, when analyzing a beam with loads, we calculate support reactions by taking moments about a point and then applying force balance equations. This ensures the beam remains stable and does not move or rotate. Understanding equilibrium of forces is essential for civil engineers because it forms the basis of structural analysis and design. Whether it is buildings, bridges, or any engineering structure, ensuring equilibrium is critical for safety and stability. In summary, equilibrium occurs when forces and moments are balanced. The conditions of equilibrium ensure no translation or rotation. Free body diagrams help visualize forces, particles focus only on force balance, and rigid bodies require both force and moment analysis. Mastering these concepts will give you a strong foundation in engineering mechanics.